Hello everyone, today I'm back again with another tutorial on how to use the DApp listing and how to connect a DApp using WalletConnect on the SubWallet Web Dashboard. So first, head to the Web Dashboard. If you have had your accounts connected to the Web Dashboard, you'll be directed to the portfolio screen. If not, follow this quick tutorial and you'll be connected in no time. To view the dApps listing, choose the dApps tab on the left hand side. All of the dApps that can be connected using SubWallet will be shown on this page. Here we have categorized the dApps into a wide range of different categories, such as DEX, NFTs, communities, crowd loans, etc. Additionally, you can also search for your dApp using the search box next to the categories. You can also apply filters to enhance your search even further by clicking on this icon in the search box. Here you can choose any categories that you would like to search. Let us search for Moonbeam. As you can see, Moonbeam is not showing up. The reason for this is that I'm using the filters to only search for DEXs. Now I can uncheck DEX, apply filter, and Moonbeam should show up. You can also bookmark your favorite dApp by clicking on the star icon next to the dApp name. Simply click on the dApp and you'll be directed to its website. Once you've headed to the dApp website, the first thing that you should do is to connect your wallet. For example, on Moonbeam, I can click on Connect Wallet, then choose WalletConnect. A QR code should pop up like this. You can scan the QR code with your wallet, or click on this icon right here to copy a link. The next step is to head back to your SubWallet Web Dashboard. You should be able to see a WalletConnect icon with zero connection. Click on it. You have two options. You can either scan the QR code, this one, by clicking the square icon here. If you have not enabled camera access, this message will pop up. Click on Go to Settings. Toggle camera access for QR. Head back. Again, click on WalletConnect. Then choose the QR icon. Now you should be able to use your computer's camera to scan the QR code. However, since your QR code is also on your browser, it will be difficult and time consuming to transfer it to your phone and then show it to your camera. Instead, you can upload directly from your computer. First, you need to save the QR code to your computer. Right-clicking and save would save the web page instead of the QR code. So instead, you can save a screenshot of the QR code. Head back to the web dashboard, then choose Upload from Photos. Choose the screenshot that you have just saved, then open. This window should pop up. Click on Connect, then you'll be prompted to choose an account. Choose the desired account, then approve. The second option is to paste the link that you've just copied into the text box. Then click on Connect. Now you'll be prompted to choose the account that you would like to connect to the dApp. Click on Approve. Then you should see the WalletConnect icon change to one connection. You can click on it to check what dApp you have connected to. And on the dApp website, you should be able to see that your account has been connected. For some reason, if you would like to disconnect your dApp, head back to the SubWallet Web Dashboard. Click on WalletConnect, then choose the dApp connection that you would like to remove. You'll be able to see a disconnect option. Click on Disconnect. This message will always be shown. If you are sure that you would like to disconnect, go ahead and click on Disconnect. Once your connection has been removed, you should no longer be able to see it on the WalletConnect tab. That's it. Now have fun and enjoy Web3 to its fullest.